Hey guys, I'm showing you the screen is not good in condition. There is a black shade on the bottom of the screen. So let me show you clearly on a white screen. Now you can see this. There is a black shade on the screen, and follow the steps, guys. I'm going to open the bezel first because we are going to pull out the screen, and then we'll do the troubleshoot. So be careful with the bezel because it's really hard sometimes. Shut down the laptop. There is two screws from the screen panel. You have to open it. Remove the charger first because we don't want any other fault in the laptop. So we removed this completely. Open the screen, pull out the connector, and I'm going to remove the tapes of the border of the screen. Tape is removed, and now plug in the screen again because we need some light to check if what we did really worked or not. Let the laptop turn on completely, then we'll do our pull the screen front glass to work behind it because the problem is the paper behind the screen. As you can see this, I'm gonna remove the paper which is causing the problem. There are so many creating problem. This is, as you can see, this is the border around the corners of the screen. It's a black border. Usually it should be without border, but it has the border, and I have a paper with the same quality and it has no border. Let me show you. You see, this is the paper without the border, and I'm gonna replace this paper with that paper. So we will succeed. I'm going to cut this paper because the paper we removed from the screen was 12.5 inches and I have the paper which is 14 inches, so I have to cut this 2 inches. Let's see, I'm gonna cut this. I have need a scale and a cutter. Let's see. Paper cutting is done. Now let's put, see what happens. You can put the paper whatever side you want to put. I choose the matte one up. Put this back. Paper back. Cleaning is important, guys. You have to clean every single time because you don't want any black dot on the screen. I think it's again slip. It will take time and you have to spend some time to do this because patience is the key. You have to be patient. Let me show you. See, there is no border. Now we remove the border completely because we remove the paper. And that's it. Now let's tape the paper corners of the screen. This is the tape, and shut down the laptop. Remove the screen carefully, hold tight, because if you lose the grip, the paper will slip and you have to open it again. So hold tight so the paper stays still, and cut the paper cut the tapes for the core sides. We need 2 side tapes and 1 upper side tape. So I cut. So let's place the tape. Always remember, always tape your corners using less screen from the top or left or right side, because we don't want to tape the viewing part. So always use less screen tape, like I'm doing. I'm using only corners. See, if you don't be careful, so you ended up covering the screen viewing part. After you tape the screen on when the laptop on, you'll see the tape outside the bezel. So we done the taping. Now put screen back, plug in the connector and tape it carefully. Put screen back to the panel. Turn on the laptop. me show you our work. Thank you so much guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please comment, like, subscribe the channel. I'll help you with some other videos like this. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys, bye.